Making money with lo-fi beats involves creating, distributing, and monetizing your music across various platforms. Here's how to turn your lo-fi music into income. Sell your beats on music platforms. Create lo-fi beats and sell them directly on platforms like BeatStars, Airbit, or your own website. Offer royalty-free licenses for content creators, podcasters, and video producers looking for background music. Consider offering exclusive rights for higher pricing. Stream on music platforms. Upload your lo-fi beats to Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube through distributors like DistroKid or TuneCore. Monetize streams as listeners play your music, earning royalties from plays. Use YouTube for monetization. Create a YouTube channel dedicated to your lo-fi beats, including relaxing or stunning music mixes. Enable monetization through YouTube's partner program to earn money from ads. Alternatively, upload tracks to channels like Chill Hop Music or Lo-Fi Girl and share profits. Offer beat licensing. License your lo-fi beats for use in video games, apps, or films. Offer custom compositions for freelancers and content creators in need of original music. Crowdfunding and Patreon. Offer exclusive beats or content to Patreon subscribers who support your music regularly.